Hi everyone, I'm Ruhi.
Hi everyone, I'm Raisa.
Welcome to our channel. Hey Raisa, will you help me cooking?
Yeah, sure.
Bring the bread please.
Okay. Wow, it will be yummy. Here you go.
Thank you. I'm gonna fry the bread now. It's done. Now it's another bread. Let's fry it too. Okay, it's also done. Yeah, it is. Sit. Oh, I forgot to bring the water. I'm bringing it. Oh, I forgot to bring the water. Let me bring it. I want to show you what's in my kitchen today. Come. Here there's some donuts. Let's see what's in the fridge. Here's milk. There's nothing in the pot, but I have some spoons, and let's see what's in the cabinet. Let me open it. Yes, here's nothing. Let's see what's in the oven. Oh, here's a chicken. A whole big chicken. Let's close it. Let's see what's on the cabinets on here. Here's cherry juice. Cherry juice. And here is grape juice. And let's see what's in here. Wow. It's orange juice. It's orange juice. And let's see what else is in here. Here there is fresh fruits. It's a box of fresh fruits. Okay, let's close it. And here there is peach can. And here is blueberries can. You saw it. Okay, let's see what's in the drawer. Wow, there is a pizza. Okay, we'll eat this later. Let's see what's in here. Oh, here is an apple juice. You see, here's an apple juice. I can't take it out, so I can't show it by taking it out. Okay. So, you have seen what's on my kitchen. I hope you liked it. And now, I and Raisa are gonna play hide and seek.
Sister, I'm here.
Oh, where is she? I have to find her. Yes, come with me.
Sister, I'm here.
Where are you?
Where are you? I'm here. Found her. Where is she? I'm here, sister.
She must be under the table. I have to check it. Here you are. I found you. Here you are. I found you. Come out. Come out.
So, how's the game? Yeah, it's really fun.
Yeah. Now I will hide and you will find me.
Okay.
Okay. So you count up to 1 to 50.
Wow, these are a lot.
Oh, I'm gonna pour the water.